Windows play a crucial role in maintaining the comfort, security, and aesthetic appeal of your home. Over time, however, windows can show signs of wear and tear due to exposure to the elements, regular use, and the passage of time. If you live in Bartow, Florida, where the climate fluctuates between humid summers and mild winters, it's important to stay on top of window maintenance. Here are some key signs that indicate it's time for window replacement in your Bartow home. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacement is if you feel drafts or notice air leaks. This is particularly concerning during Florida's hot summers, when air conditioning is essential for comfort. If you're noticing that your energy bills are unusually high, or if you can feel a cold breeze around your windows, it means your windows are no longer providing the insulation they should. Drafty windows allow outside air to infiltrate your home, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain your desired temperature. Excessive condensation or fogging between panes. Condensation or fog that forms between the glass panes of a double-paned window is a clear sign that the window seal has failed. This issue is common in older windows, and it can lead to poor visibility and reduced energy efficiency. In Bartow's humid environment, excess moisture trapped between the panes can also encourage the growth of mold and mildew. If you're dealing with fogging windows, it's best to consider a replacement before the problem worsens. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that stick, are hard to open, or won't stay open on their own are not only inconvenient but can also be a safety hazard. In the event of an emergency, you need windows that function properly to provide an escape route or allow fresh air into your home. If your windows are difficult to operate or won't close securely, it may be time to replace them with newer, more reliable models. Visible damage or wear. Over time, windows can suffer from physical damage, including cracks, chips, or warped frames. In areas like Bartow, where the weather can be unpredictable, it's important to keep an eye on your windows for signs of deterioration. Cracked or broken glass not only impacts the appearance of your home, but it also reduces the window's ability to insulate and protect your property. If you notice significant damage, it's essential to replace your windows to ensure your home remains secure. Outside noise is easily heard inside. If the outside noise is easily heard inside your home, this could be a sign that your windows are no longer effective at blocking sound. This is especially relevant if you live near a busy street or noisy neighbors. Newer window models are designed to provide better sound insulation, which can improve the comfort of your home. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient, soundproof windows can make a significant difference in reducing noise disturbances and improving your home's overall tranquility. Higher energy bills. In Bartow, energy efficiency is crucial, especially when dealing with the heat and humidity that can drive up cooling costs. If you notice a spike in your utility bills, it could be a result of poor insulation caused by old or damaged windows. Windows that don't seal properly or are made from outdated materials can let out cold air in winter and let in heat during summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient models can help lower your energy consumption and save you money in the long run. Outdated style or aesthetic appeal. While function is key, aesthetics also play a major role in your home's overall appearance. If your windows are outdated, mismatched, or simply no longer fit with your style, replacing them can drastically enhance the curb appeal of your home. Bartow homeowners looking to improve the visual appeal of their property often opt for new window designs that complement their home's architectural style. New windows can transform a house from drab to dynamic, giving it a fresh and modern look. Safety concerns. If your windows are old, cracked, or compromised in any way, they may not provide the level of safety you need. Windows that no longer lock properly or are difficult to close securely can become a potential entry point for burglars. If you're concerned about security, replacing your windows with more secure, modern versions is a good idea. Conclusion. Windows are an integral part of your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and security. If you notice any of the above signs, it might be time to consider window replacement in Bartow. Investing in new, high-quality windows can improve your home's value, enhance its curb appeal, and reduce energy costs. Don't wait until the problem worsens. Contact a trusted window replacement expert to evaluate your needs and ensure that your windows are working for you.